Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to view your BMO bank statements online. Yes, you can absolutely view your BMO bank statements online. The process is straightforward and can be done through BMO's online banking platform. First, you need to sign into your BMO online banking account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Statements section, which is typically found under the Account Information or a similar tab. From there, you can select Account Statements or a similar option. You will be able to search for specific statements by using filters such as account number, a specific date range, or a common time frame. The statements are often available as a PDF for you to view or download. BMO's online banking also allows you to switch to paperless statements, which means you'll receive your statements electronically instead of by mail. This is not only convenient but also helps you keep your financial records organized in one place. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.